Good morning, children. Welcome back to science class. Happy to see me? Yes, even I am also very happy that you have done all the book exercises in your book. Am I right? You have done all the work in your book? Yes. So today we will do question answers. These are very short question answers and you have to write them in the notebook. What you have to do? You have to do all these short question answers in your notebook. Your notebooks are with you? Books and notebooks are with you? आपके पास में सभी के पास में बुक्स एंड नोटबुक्स है ना? तो हम उसी प्रोसीजर में करेंगे जैसे कि हम पहले क्लास में करते थे. First of all, we are writing the hard words. I have sent you before. मैंने पहले भेज दिए हैं आपको 10 hard words. Then after that, what we are doing? Glossary. Glossary कर ली है? Yes. And even we have done the book exercises also. So today we will do very short question answer. Am I clear to you? Yes. So, answer the following question in brief. It's on page number 66. And please, beta, don't worry. I'm sending these answers in the worksheet also. So, you can write it from there also. ठीक है? अगर आपका छूट जाता है तो no need to worry. You can write the answers from the worksheet also. Name the different modes of transmission of communicable diseases. So what are communicable diseases? The diseases that spreads from one person to another. So today we have to tell the modes of transmission. हमने पढ़े थे ना कैसे कैसे फैलते हैं? Through air. एयर से फैलते हैं. इन्फेक्टेड फूड एंड वाटर. ये देखिए इन्फेक्टेड वाटर एंड दिस इज इन्फेक्टेड फूड. दे कंटेन अ लॉट ऑफ जर्म्स. एंड देन इंसेक्ट बाइट. मॉस्किटो कट कर लेता है एंड इट स्प्रेड्स द डिजीज. डेंगू, मलेरिया एक्सेट्रा. Direct contact. Direct contact when you shake your hands with someone infected person. Clear? समझ में आ रहा है? Yes. Now the next question is, what is an epidemic? It is clear from the picture also that one person is suffering, it spread it to others and then it become community ट्रांसमिशन. अभी आपने देखा है ना COVID-19 इज एन एपिडेमिक एंड इट इज बिकमिंग पेंडेमिक ऑल्सो क्योंकि वो वर्ल्ड वाइड फैल चुकी है. सो वाइड स्प्रेड अक्रेंस ऑफ infectious disease at a particular time is called an epidemic. Example, smallpox. Clear? Or COVID-19 is also an epidemic. Now the third question. Define a balanced diet. ये तो हम बहुत बार पढ़ चुके हैं. Yes, what is balanced diet? A diet that contain all the nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, etc. in the right quantity is called balanced diet. जिसमें सभी nutrients एक right quantity में present होते हैं उनको हम balanced diet कहते हैं. It keeps us healthy and energetic. Clear? ये हमें healthy and energetic रखते हैं. So we should eat balanced diet food. Clear? Now question number 4. How does roughage play an important role in our diet. रफेज क्या होता है? रफेज प्लांट प्रोडक्ट्स में प्रेजेंट होता है और वो हमारी बॉडी डाइजेस्ट नहीं करती है, बट इट इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर आवर बॉडी. हाउ? It helps us to get rid of undigested food from the body. ये हमारी बॉडी से undigested food को रिमूव करती है, easily रिमूव हो जाता है. So we should eat lot of salad, green vegetables and fruits because they contain large amount of roughage. Clear? Now question number 5. Which food should we consume to obtain the following nutrients? कुछ nutrients दिए हुए हैं, इनके लिए हमें कौन सा खाना चाहिए? फॉर एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट इज कैल्शियम. सो कैल्शियम किस में सबसे ज़्यादा प्रेजेंट होता है? मिल्क में. एंड इट स्ट्रेंथन्स आवर बोन. Iodine is present in seafood. Vitamin B is present in green vegetables. Clear? And iron is present in dates, pomegranate, anything, whatever you want to write. Clear? Am I clear to you? Now, what does the food pyramid tells us? फूड पिरामिड हमें क्या बताता है? नीचे से ये वाइड होता है, ऊपर से नैरो होता है. सो द आंसर इज इट इज अ रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द ऑप्टिमल नंबर ऑफ सर्विंग्स टू बी टेकन ईच डे फ्रॉम ईच ऑफ द बेसिक ग्रुप ऑफ फूड ग्रुप्स. क्लियर? It is a representation of the optimal number of servings to be taken each day from each of the basic food groups. So we should eat more grains because they give us energy, and we should intake less fat, means oil, sugar, salt, etc. तो हमें ज़्यादा एनर्जेटिक फूड खाने चाहिए और लेस ऑयली फूड्स खाने चाहिए. वी शुड ईट मोर ग्रेन्स देन वेजिटेबल्स देन फ्रूट्स एंड वेरी लेस ऑयल्स मीन्स फैट्स. सो व्हाट इज अ वैक्सीनेशन? वैक्सीनेशन इंजेक्शन क्या होता है? The process of injecting a substance into someone's body to protect against a disease. जब हमें कोई बीमारी से बचना होता है तो उसके लिए हमारी बॉडी में कुछ सब्सटेंस, कुछ केमिकल इंजेक्ट किया जाता है टू प्रोड्यूस द एंटीबॉडीज इज नोन एज वैक्सीनेशन. क्लियर? The process of injecting a substance into someone's body to protect against a disease. Clear? Yes. Now, 8th question is, what are nutrients? Nutrients क्या होते हैं? So, nutrients are the essential substances required for the growth and nourishment of the body. They provide us energy. They help us to grow, keep us healthy, disease free and strong. कौन कौन से nutrients पढ़े थे? Carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals और बताइए proteins, roughage, water. These are the nutrients and these are the essential substances required for the growth and nourishment of the body. Am I clear to you? Yes. So you have to write down these answers in the notebook, and I am going to check it when we are going to meet. So complete your work. I am sending these answers in the worksheet also, so no need to worry if you have not completed from this video. So you will get sufficient time to complete your work. No need to panic. Clear? Okay. Bye bye. Take care.